So hello my people, welcome back to the lab. So today in the lab I have two laptops that needs my attention, and they are both HP laptops. So the laptops, they are here. So this one has a broken lid, also has a dead hard disk. Well, for this one we need to upgrade the hard disk to an SSD. We also need to install Windows on it. And the other one, also a HP laptop. This one has a problem with the keyboard, and also the operating system has some glitches here and there, so it's running on Windows 10. So I also need to upgrade this to Windows 11. So well, let's head to the bench and we do this. Now before we go ahead and do those, have you ever wondered, or have you ever needed to install Windows on a laptop, but then you didn't have this? So most of the times when you need to install Windows on a laptop or a desktop, sometimes you need to use this, right? A USB stick. You burn the Windows files here, follow the procedure for installing Windows, but today I'll show you how you can install Windows directly to your hard disk or SSD without needing this. So we ditch this, and I'll show you how to install Windows on this. Well, let's head to the bench and do this. So this is our target SSD. This is where we want to install the Windows 2, and instead of using the traditional way of using a USB like this, and then we install this, we pre-install this into the computer, our target computer, and then we burn the Windows files here. That is a lot of work. So we can actually copy the Windows file directly to our SSD. So this is how we are going to do it. And the first thing that you need some adapter of some kind. So this adapter here is used for external hard disks, and it's important we use USB 3.0 standard so that we can get a better speed. So on my laptop, I think this is the USB 3.0. Yeah, this is the 3.0 USB. Then we are going to connect our SSD here like that, and then we plug the cable into our computer. So, and one beautiful thing with SSDs, we don't get any noise. You see, no noise, just dead silent. So then we need to come to our computer and open our browser. So let me do that. So now I'm in my computer. I need to go to Chrome. So we need to download two things for us to do this successfully. So first of all, we need our Windows installation media. So we need our Windows installation file. And we can search on the browser Windows. I already did a search, and we can come to this Microsoft site. So can do Windows 11 download. So the first site here will be the official Microsoft site. We need to download it from here. It's a good thing you download important softwares from their official sites like this. So this is the Windows installation assistance. We need to scroll down here where it says download Windows 11 disk image. So you select the Windows 11 ISO file for x64 based devices. So our computer is 64x64 device, and you come to the download now button there. It will do its thing there, and then you need to select the product language. I'll choose the English, United States or international, so whichever you want you can click and then you say confirm. It does its confirmation thing there, and then yeah, it's a 64-bit download. This is what we need for our laptop, so we click 64-bit download there. Then at the upper corner here you go to your downloads, or just use the shortcut Ctrl J. Ctrl J takes you to the downloads page. Here you can see our Windows 11 is downloading here, but I had already downloaded it, so it's this one. So I need to cancel this download. It's taking a while. And then the other thing that we need to download is the software known as Rufus. So you type Rufus. So Rufus is the software that we are going to use to burn the files, and the first result here, you click that and you can read all this stuff, but then you need to come down here and where we have releases, you download the latest version. So this is the latest version, and we take the first one. It starts downloading. It's a very small software. If we go back to our download page, here it is. So the next thing we want to do is to run our Rufus. Run it. Make sure your hard disk is connected or your SSD is connected. I'll connect mine, and if you don't see your SSD from this device here, then you need to click that drop down menu there, and then tick the list USB hard drives. Your disk will appear there. Then we need to select the file that we downloaded, and it's this one. So this is our Windows 11 file. We open. So the next thing that you need to do is the image option. Now we need to click, you select the Windows to go, and you can give your disk a label here. We can call it our Windows 11, just like that. Leave everything else to the way it is. Then you need to click start there. So when you click start, you'll have all these so these are the Windows main options that we have. We need to install the Windows 11 Pro. You click OK. Then we need to skip those, and then we do that. So create a local account with username. We can write a name there which we need, but for now let's stick with HP. Then we click OK. There is a warning there that if there is any data on our SSD, it's going to be deleted, so we are okay with that. And you just wait a little bit, let it finish. The reason why I was saying we use the USB 3.0 as opposed to the other port is because we can enjoy the speeds of USB 3.0. So let's give it a minute and then we are going to come back. So now it's done. Then you can close. So you close, and then we can make sure you eject. So eject the mass storage there. So now we have Windows installed in this, and let's head to our target laptop and install this. So this is the target laptop. I have already removed the screws, and first thing after removing the screws, you need to remove the DVD drive. So the DVD drive comes off first, so this thing right here. The next thing is to pry open this bottom cover. So for mine, it's in a bad condition, in such a way that I can just pry it open with my nails, just like that. So this is the dead hard disk. We need to replace this. So the issue with this hard disk is that it makes some funny noise when the computer is running. So that is a sign of a dying hard disk. Also, the other thing that made me come into that conclusion that this one is almost dying is that whenever we install a new operating system on this, it runs for like 2 days and then it crashes. Then we repeat the same or the whole process again. We install a new Windows, then after 2 days the same thing happen. Well, this one needs to go. So I can't even trust this because it's on the verge of dying. Seems like it has come to the end of its life. So we need to remove these brackets so that we can screw them onto our new SSD. So I'll keep this away. I think it's supposed to go like this. So our new SSD is in place. We put back the cover. So now we can go ahead and finish up the installation process. And now the moment of truth. So see how simple that process is. We let it do its thing. Also the fan in this is very loud, so we need to do something about that. Let's give it a minute and then come back. Now the computer is almost done with the process. Yeah. Actually doing this installation this way is it's much easier. Imagine you have like 20 computers that you need to install Windows on. You can just use this method, which will be much easier. So the next process is just straightforward. Yeah, those are dogs just making some funny noise. So we don't want to use internet right now. We skip that, then we accept, then I'll set the name to the owner of this laptop. Next we set the password, and I'll set the password for him. We confirm the password again, and then we move to these ones. For these ones we can add so I'm done with the security questions. Sorry if you can't see this clearly, but yeah, maybe I should have zoomed in to somewhere like there. So can finish this. So we are almost there. So and now this one is done. So the Windows on this is good. So this laptop is ready to go to the owner. So let me handle the other one. So the other one we are going to use the USB drive to the USB flash disk to install the Windows. So this one, it's just putting back the screws, and we are done. Well, for this video we are done. Remember to share, subscribe, and you can also leave a comment. Let me know what's up, and yeah, well, see you next time.